parasites. This thing is one giant parasitic plant. It's called the strangular fig tree. And so like so. And then eventually, like a big giant constricting python, it eventually completely wraps and kills the host tree. The water is clear here. There is some seagrass and there is some seaweed, and this is a favourite stomping ground of green sea turtles. I actually saw a head of one pop up about 70 metres out, and sometimes they pop up right here, literally 6 foot off the water here.
Yeah, right there on the right. There he is, yeah.
The clock this morning it will be 2.56. Just for the records, I'll tell you all about that in a minute. Young male. If you observe them every day, you get to know who's who. Alive, yeah. He's got about another 60 years of living yet, between September and April. So, by April she will have abandoned, if you like, or cable ferry. Cable straight across the river.
Dave, guy there on the right. Cool guy.
Sorry?
Okay, so just off the scoop. Right off in the very far distance. Now Dave and I know what we're looking for, so we can probably see it. But you can actually see Fitzroy Island.
I want it to be under 10 knots is good. If you're going to the outer reef, under 15 is okay.
Yeah, going down.
Blowing 20 knots.
It's really pretty.
Oh, this is going to be amazing. Oh, look at that. Is that not just an amazing view? Jesus. Thornton Beach. Awesome. Little Gilligan's Island. They call it turkey down here. Tropical turkey. No Thanksgiving here though, buddy. Aren't you the lucky one? Okay, let's see that. Look at that. Isn't that a beauty? That's a big spider, a big web. There you go. I can see you pretty good there, big boy. Taking our walk. Clear water, very inviting. I got a good one.
Now, if you poke through there, you might be able to get a nice sight on. This forest dragon is so rare, it is found nowhere else in the world. The 400-kilometre strip of the rainforest of North Queensland is where it's found. However, the roots only go 1 foot down, but however high the tree is how far out into the soil the roots go.
Strangling on
And this
trees
will
to
go
live.
straight through the... There is one of these in the mountains that gets to 2 meters long.
Ooh.
An earthworm, 2 meters. What we lack in the larger animals we make up for in our insects. And that's a real good example when I say look before you lean on, on the tree.
It's like it's part of the tree.
I know.
The Aboriginals probably had a totally different name for it, obviously, than that. But for them, they made all their spears out of only this type of tree. Only this one. The Aboriginal people here still hunt with spear, but they make it out of an introduced bamboo because it is so much easier. It took forever. I thought it was just going to be a minute. I'm going, oh, this is so boring. It also could be passed by just along the way a bit further. So the animals of this forest, like I say, they're few and far between, but you can easily see all those who say cheese for a photo. But in Japan they're still cheese. Cheese! So tea bushes can last for hundreds of years. This plantation is actually almost 40 years old, and so it can live for hundreds of years.